The next step in creating our water pump is to create a lofted feature. Before we create the lofted feature, we're going to create some planes to make sketches in. So I'm going to start by selecting the front plane. Then I'm going to come up to reference geometry, expand it until I want to create an offset plane. So the distance for the offset plane is 3 inches. Push return. It's going in the wrong direction, so I'm going to tell it to flip the offset. My plane's fully defined. I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to name this 3 from front. I want to create another offset plane relative to the front again. I'm going to select the front, come up to reference geometry plane. And this time I want to go 5 inches. Again, I need to flip the offset so it's going that way. It's fully defined. I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to name this 5 from the front. I want one more offset plane to create this lofted feature, again from the front. Select reference geometry plane, and this time the offset distance is going to be 6 inches. Flip it again. It's fully defined. I'll say OK, and I'll name this 6 from front. Then I'll save my work and continue on from there in the next.